Hola everyone, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Check this out. It's sandy, it looks like sand. Could we be at the beach? I don't know. Or maybe we can be in your new home in Fiji. Yeah, that's right. Bringing the sand right to your house. This is an incredible home that we have coming for sale. You're looking at it first. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, nice huge pool. Look at all this tile work in here. Isn't this incredible? And look, your own coconuts right there. You can grab those. Outdoor shower right there. So walk with me. I'm going to come back through the front door so you get a chance to take a look at the home. Grab your notes. You're going to really like this. If you're coming to Fiji full-time, part-time, let us know. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. And what do we say in Fiji? Bula! That's right. Okay, walk with me now. Beautiful entryway. Here is a shot of that pool again. You might want to pause that. All these open up. You have a great pass-through window right by the kitchen and a sitting area. Great for passing food and drinks right there and enjoying yourself. Here is the double car enclosed garage. This is great if you have kids, belongings you want to keep in here, some shelves. This is really cool too. Workbench. If you're into fishing and you want to clean the fish out here, you have a double sink, and this roller shade goes up into the backyard, and all this extra storage here too. So very family friendly home. And let's go through here, and you're going to see just to the left is the laundry room. And again, more storage. I know that's really, really important. Another utility sink, and this has access also to the yard. Okay, let me give you one look here again of the entry door. Look at that, beautiful. This is the master suite right here, which has a great view this way. And then you have the 2 rooms upstairs, bathroom there, and then an ensuite with the master. Okay, let's go see the great room. Look at this. Put it on pause. How about that? Micro dishwasher, beautiful granite island with double sink, extra storage, 4 gas burner stovetop with the vent hood and the oven, upper and lowers with a gorgeous granite backsplash. Look at the pendant lights, recessed lighting, ceiling fans, incredibly huge aircon there. Man, that thing is going to blow some cool air. So if you want to be cool in Fiji, right there, baby. All right. Pacific green furniture. This stuff is top of the line, and you can see everything opens up. Another view of the kitchen area. So let's walk now through. This is the great room. Downstairs we have a half bath here for guests, which is very, very convenient. There you go, nice half bath. You're an entertaining guest. Linen closet, lots of extra storage here. Okay, let's go check out the master suite. You can see all the tiled throughout, air cons in every room. Here is the walk-in wardrobe there, all your belongings. Nice toilet, shower area here with the glass. Look at that. And this is a great little courtyard area that you can come and chill out, relax, maybe meditate. We can actually have people come in and do a custom garden for you as well. We have a lot of concierge services. There's that double sink. Concierge services that we have for you as well, where we can help you with all sorts of things. You want boats, jet skis, cars, golf cart buggies. Here's an extra room off the master, and you can see it has a TV, places to put your books. You can come in here, put a nice chaise lounge, work right here. You can have a little home office, and there's that view also to that little courtyard. So the bathroom, master bath there, and then this little extra room off the master. And then the master has these really great views of the pool, as you can see. Really, really lovely home. You're going to want to go to professionalsfiji.com and call us at +679 999 2051 to get all the details of this home. And this is a great precinct, very close to Port Denarau Marina. Here's a linen closet. Here's your bathroom upstairs. Beautiful tile work. I mean, they really did a great job on the tile here. And I'm gonna come out here. This is the first bedroom with the mirrored closet door, your built-ins, extra room here. So if you're bringing your own furniture here to Fiji, this is a good home because this can be offered and available furnished or unfurnished as well too. So you can purchase this with everything here or just bring in your own. There's that beautiful aircon and TV. And the final thing here, look at this great wood floors. Great outdoor space here to entertain family, friends. Looks like the gardeners came here too. Look at this great big sitting area, and the breeze here today is beautiful. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 to learn more about this gorgeous listing and all of our homes here in Fiji. And look at that, there's some coconuts just waiting for you to throw some Fiji rum in. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Manaka.